So a way of thinking about cha-cha is that it is a slow salsa. So in salsa we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in cha-cha, there's a couple of ways to do cha-cha, just as there are multiple ways to do salsa. But a common way that people dance it in a club is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's instead of taking one step on 3 through beat 4, we take 3 of them. Instead of taking one step on 7 through 8, we take 3 of them. Salsa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you could, and this is partly why someone without cha-cha training, but who's an advanced salsa dancer, can adapt all their moves to being done to the cha-cha rhythm. They're just going through them more slowly. But if you go to a ballroom studio, they just do different moves. So you get a wide array of additional steps that you can do that club dancers don't do as much. In addition, just as salsa dancers, sometimes when you dance on 2, there's like 2 ways to do it. What dancing on 2 means is that you are switching directions on beat 2 and likewise on beat 6. You can do that 2 different ways. One is to not step on 1 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the more common way is to step 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, but do the shift of direction on 2 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the more common way. So similarly in cha-cha, you can step 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Or you can do it the less common way where you're not stepping on the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Really, I think of cha-cha as properly done on 2, where you're starting on 2 and switching direction on 2. But club dancers do it, I would say, maybe even 50-50 or more of them are dancing it on 1. It doesn't really matter. You can do it either way. As a follower, I just follow however I'm led. So now let's take a look. So let me just do it on 1 to be consistent with salsa. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When we do a right turn, we go 1, 2, and 3, and 4 gets you the rest of the way around. 1, 2. When you're doing a salsa turn, you have more momentum, it's faster, and usually you're really there by 3, cleanly balanced and stable by 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But on cha-cha, we're making it much slower, and we really don't arrive till the end of beat 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's how we do turns. Let's do, and then side rocks, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this is an example of an extension from a salsa step, adapted for cha-cha, but it is not commonly done in ballroom studios for cha-cha, but a club salsa dancer might do it because it's just an adaptation of a side rock. Let's do those to cha-cha music to start.
2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7.
Now, something else that people do that's an interesting step that comes from basic is like a progressive move, except we do 3 sets of cha-chas in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Cha-cha-cha, 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 forward rock. Cha-cha-cha, 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 back rock. Cha-cha-cha, I'm done. So we start going forward. So if you're a leader, step, step, and cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, it starts after the step, step. Cha-cha. So I have to start it here. Step, step, cha-cha-cha. Now the way I do this is I'm actually turning my body a little bit. The foot that's in front is straight, and the foot that's in back makes this 45-degree angle, and it gives you this look, which you see in dancing all the time. So it's 2, cha-cha-cha, step, step, cha-cha-cha, 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 forward rock, cha-cha-cha, 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 back rock. So you see I'm kind of coming from one 45-degree angle. Getting my foot at this 45-degree angle tilts my body, and it makes a graceful switch from one side to the other. Let's do this 2 times from the leader's position, and then we'll do it 2 times from the follower's position, and then we'll do it to music. 1 basic first. 1, 2, and cha-cha-cha, step, step, and cha-cha-cha. Here we go. 2 and cha-cha-cha, step, step. Cha-cha-cha, 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 forward rock. Cha-cha-cha, 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 back rock. Cha-cha-cha, and I resume basic. 1 more time. Step, step, and cha-cha-cha, step, step, cha-cha-cha, 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 forward rock, cha-cha-cha, 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 back rock, cha-cha-cha, forward. Now we go 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, bump, bump, and once, and twice, 3 times, back rock. Once, twice, 3 times, forward rock, and basic.